Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you. I did my greens. I did my mashed potatoes. These are baby potatoes, these little small. I know you can tell I poked on it. And I put some feta cheese in it. Oh, they're so good. I'm going to show you how to fry this chicken real quick. Let me see if I can get it close up. There you go. So I have my flour. And I'm going to add some pepper because I like the pepper. So I have my skillet really hot and then I'm lowering it. So like lots of pepper in my chicken. You can put as much as you want. And then I put some garlic and salt. And that's pretty much it. Garlic and onion. Just a little bit of garlic and onion. I might as well put some of this in there. I don't want to put too much. So I have my chicken that's already flavored and marinated. I didn't put a lot of oil in there because I really don't feel like it. I'm not going to use the... mix that up. I'm not going to use the oven. I was going to make some oven, but I said, what the heck. So this has been marinating for a while. I just put my chicken in there. And what the skin does, it basically coats, it protects the chicken. So, yep, that was a little bit of dill from the pickle. And it coats the chicken. This is going to be so good. And you could discard the rest. I hope I put enough flour in there. I don't know how much. I think I put about a cup. This is for me, so I'm going to have greens for a whole week. Because that's what I'm going to be eating. Oops! That didn't seal up too well. That happens. So I have it basically coated, if you could see. I think I need to coat it a little bit more. But the coat's on the bottom. I'll show you in a minute. Now the rule of thumb is keep one hand clean and one... That never happens with me. Keep one hand clean and one hand dirty in the kitchen. You know. That's the rule of thumb. So I'm going to put service skin down. You know, you put your skin down when you first... Okay. It kind of cooled down, didn't it? And these are thighs. Why not? I just had that craving for chicken. And I said, ugh, I need to make my own. I didn't feel like it, to tell you the truth. But I did. Okay, that's my phone ringing. I'm going to ignore it. At the wrong time. Okay. Alrighty. Oh. I keep getting these spam calls. So I'll go ahead and put that. I'll just see if I can squeeze them all in there. Probably won't, but you know, you do want to have some space in between, which I never do. I mean, this is home cooking. This isn't professional. And you don't want to discard that flour, because what you could do is make a you can actually make a... Oh, it's not going to fit. Come on, fit. I got to raise that. It was really hot, and then I lowered it. It might fit. We'll see. And the flour, what I'm going to do is make a gravy. Yep. Make a gravy out of that. And who knows, maybe I'll make a smothered chicken. I haven't done that in a while. Yep. I know people who like to eat. So you don't want to throw this away. That part, I mean throw that out. That I'm going to go ahead and rinse out. But you want to keep this because that's what's going to make the gravy. This, I'm going to go ahead and discard it because I have nothing else that I'm going to be. Okay. And making sure that's going to come to a raise. And then what I'm going to do is eventually lower it because I don't want the chicken to scorch. I want it to cook and I want it to scorch. I don't want it to scorch. I mean, oops. Don't want it to scorch. And I do have a lid for that. Oh, it's my favorite. I have to reach down. There you go. I gotta start doing more squats. Okay. And then I'm going to wait until it cooks really well, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'll show you the rest next video. Okay.